Meanwhile, All Manipur Working Journalists Union and Editors Guild Manipur has convened a meeting at Manipur Press Club regarding the incident and resolved to carry out pen-down strike on May 21st, that is tomorrow. During the strike, all news related to Manipur state government, state and central forces will be boycotted. It has also demanded for an inquiry into the incident and to take action against government officials and personnel in charge of the area where the incident occurred. Speaking in this regard, Secretary of Editors Guild Manipur, Y. Rupachandra, has condemned the incident and the harassment carried out by Central Security Force on media persons who went to cover the opening event of 5th state-level Shiroi Lili Festival in Nukru. He said the media persons were invited by the organizers and was on board the Manipur State Transport bus that was arranged by DIPR Manipur. The unfortunate incident has compelled the journalists' fraternity to carry out pen-down strike tomorrow. Members of AMJU and EGM took out the rally condemning the incident today.
Invitation ju akoi da piba DIPR na ju sinba aduga DIPR na sinba bus to Manipur State Transport thai haibagi namada Central Security Forces na makhada na chatpa yaroi na thingbasi masi Manipur gi itihas na amukta thokidaba amasung press ki history da amukta thokidaba thokni masi akoi condemn tawba loina na sarkar gi oiba thabak thoram punamakta boycott tawba haiba akoi ngasi resolution ama lawe makhata na akoi governor da loiba thokok asida jenaba government gi official mayam sing athuba matamda thidoktuna makhoida pihom thokpa dandi piba adu pidri bhaubada hayeng AMJU gi oiba EGM gi oiba hayeng thabak lepak loina jen body meeting ma pangtho matungda akoi na pamiba dabi je pidri bhauba pen down strike jataba haiba wapam masima akoi ngasi gi memorandum je thamjakre piriba matam jibaugi manungda karigumba pirak taba taragadi akoi makhada na pen down strike jataba gi program chatar ko yai hen thamjage